678.
Hi guys, I'm here to introduce you to this wonderful food dehydrator. This is by far actually the best quality food dehydrator that I've had. I've used some other ones in the past and I just didn't really care for the outcome or the quality, but this is a really, really nice one. I can tell you that right off the bat. Food dehydrator, think about all the things you can do with this. With this you can make all kinds of vegetables and fruit chips, kale chips, carrot chips, and anything that you can possibly name. Dried apples, banana chips, things like that. It even comes with this special tray here, and you can use this for making fruit leather. How much do kids love fruit leather? I mean, they love it. So this would be great for your children and siblings. That slips right there on the top. Look at all these different layers that you have to make various kinds of food here. So just, think about the possibilities. And you can actually adjust the height as well too. As you can see, I've adjusted the height on the bottom so that you have a little bit more room here. And you can do that with each level. Just turn it, give it a little turn to adjust the height in case you needed some more room. I won't do it too much for the sake of the video, but there you have it. And it is so easy to use. You just put your food on here. Here's the power button, and you have a temperature and time button here. So you click this, and then you can adjust your temperature higher or lower, just like that. Adjust your time too as well, higher or lower. Look at that. And press it off to turn it off. There you have it. Super easy to use, and I'm sure you can already tell too, but it's also very easy to clean. So all in all, this is a wonderful thing. My friends got it for me because I know how much I love fruit leather. So this is a fantastic new product, and I think you definitely need it in your kitchen.